Talk business. The government will reduce non-priority expenditures such as domestic and foreign travels, communication, printing, training, hospitality, fuel, purchase of furniture and motor vehicle refurbishment, and routine maintenance. The government also plans to prioritize completion of 437 stalled projects before embarking on new ones.
We hope that more focus will be towards subsidies that will facilitate production in agriculture, production in the core areas of food for consumption. Again, related to that is to more focus on manufacture. I think, as they said, most of the policies has been towards encouraging. We have been importing more than locally producing. So we hope to see more incentives that will encourage local manufacturing.
Taxpayers expect that there will be a reduction or kind of relief on tax, especially the young people who are in small micro enterprises, because this morning I remember there is a youth who even was asking from me an opportunity or network.
Hii budget ambayo inakuja, ningependa tu kuhimiza serikali waangazie sana sector ya security na agriculture, in that unaona security vile imedhofika katika eneo za bonde la Ufa na pengine kule magharibi na northeastern.